to do a walkthrough of Canva templates. These are some that I just made for a client last week for her real estate business. So when you order templates from me, we discuss the colors you would like included, the fonts you would like included, the logos you would like included, and that's what makes them custom to you for your brand. So you save even more steps. That's why they're an additional cost from my pre-made templates. And you get 10 additional templates for upgrading, okay? I include the foils and textures that you would want as well, and the layouts that you'd want. This package also includes video tutorials. It is on a private playlist. It includes all 8 steps as well as bonus tips to take your Canva branding to the next level. You also receive a PDF guide with links to your specific templates. These templates are named with your these templates have your brand name. Okay, so you do not have to change the name. You can literally click on the template and edit away. Now, to save time, so that you do not have to use the PDF every single time you want to access your templates, you are going to go to, so this one link has 2 different templates, actually has 3 different templates on it. So what you're going to do is say File, make a copy, and now this saves it to your account to where you do not have to open that PDF every single time you want to access these templates. You're just going to make it number 2 or whatever you want to say. And now you're going to see this is saved to your account. So we did make a copy. Just to be on the safe side, click Save. And if we go to all of our templates or all of our designs and click Refresh, this is going to be saved there. Okay? So now when you come to your Canva account, you're going to have all of your templates there. Not all of them. Whatever you save to your account is what's going to be there. If you don't save all of them to your account, then they won't be there. So it's up to you to go through your PDF. I don't have access to your Canva account. You have to go through manually, click on each link in the PDF, save them all to your account. So steps 1 through 6 are here as well, in case you ever get stuck and say, oh my god, I can't remember how to do this. There it is. Also, the fonts used in the templates, if you like what I had going on, you can download the fonts used in those templates. It's going to be different for everyone. These are custom templates. And then to access, and then these are all the links. You don't have to worry about copy and pasting a fancy URL. These are all clickable. You're just going to click and then they're there. And the last page is just a thank you for shopping with me. I care about your business, blah, 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 blah. Okay? I'm going to click on another one that has a bunch of posts so I can show you really quickly how to save them to your desktop. Let's say you just want to save one image, not all 5. So to duplicate a page, you can come up here and click over here, and this will copy this quote-unquote page, and then it will duplicate that particular template or layout, I should say. So let's say we want to put this post, just this one. We don't want the other ones included in this long string. We're going to go to Download. You can click PNG or JPEG, whichever one you want to do. And you're going to click on that page. So if we click on page 3 and then you're going to click Download, you don't want to download it with a transparent background because we like the picture in the background. So that's what we're going to do. It's that simple. And that's just going to download that image. If you want to download all 5, let's say you've been working and you have a week's worth of posts ready to go, and you're like, hey, I want to download all 5. You're going to say download, PNG, all pages, download. It's going to come up as a zip file. To post them on social media, you're going to need to unzip them. And that is how you save the templates. We've already discussed how to edit the templates. So that is it. To change the pictures, I guess I'll go through it one more time really quickly. You just click a picture, click delete, and then you can upload whatever picture you want. Let's say I want the whole family there. Just like so. If you don't want to save that, just go up to undo, 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 okay? To save change the pictures in the background. Click the square, move it, move the picture, change it, okay? We want to click undo on that. Undo again. Let's say we want to change the color of the filter or the box. We're going to click that box. We're going to click whatever color we want. Maybe we want the blue one this time. Okay? Click undo if you don't like that. And that's that. You're going to change it until you want to. Change the font. Click on the text you want to change. Choose the fonts. And that's that. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
All you need to get done if you come on. Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas trying to.
Hey, Erica here with Dave. He sells text marketing and he's texting.
I'm busy.